Are you about to hit send and suddenly panic? Don't worry, Gmail's undo. Send is your safety net. In this short guide, I'll show you how to unsend a Gmail message fast, how to make the undo window longer, and a few pro tips so you never send something you didn't mean to. Stay with me. This could save your job, your relationship, or at least your pride. Open Gmail and click Compose. Before you send anything, do the basics. Type the recipient's email and double check it. Autocomplete can pick the wrong contact. Add a clear subject line so the message isn't ambiguous. Then write your message. Pause for a second and skim it. Tone, attachments, and that all-important recipient field. Small habit, big payoff. Now send the email. Immediately after you press send, watch the bottom left corner of the Gmail window. You'll see a small notification that says message sent. And right next to it is the undo button. Click undo straight away and Gmail will pull the message back and reopen it as a draft so you can edit, attach what you forgot, or trash it completely. That's the core trick. Act quickly. Quick setup tip. Gmail limits how long the undo option appears, but you can increase that window. Go to settings, see all settings, undo, send, and choose a longer cancellation period. Choose the maximum if you want more time. That gives you extra seconds to change your mind after hitting send. Pro tips to avoid repeat mishaps. Enable the maximum undo time in settings. You can pause 3 to 5 seconds before you hit send. Habitually waiting prevents mistakes. When sending sensitive emails, add attachments before composing or use the attach files step last and verify everything. On mobile, the undo option appears as a small bar at the bottom. Same idea, click fast. There you go. The simple, reliable way to unsend an email in Gmail and buy yourself a second chance. If you want, I can make a quick follow-up showing exactly where the undo send setting lives in Gmail, desktop and mobile. Hit like. If this helped, subscribe for more quick productivity fixes and drop a comment with the email disaster you narrowly avoided. See you next time.